Welcome to All Up in That Tech, a channel where we discuss the good, the bad, and the ugly of all things technology. Did you know that you were working as a part-time teacher to technology? No? Well, let's talk about your new part-time role. Since the release of ChatGPT in early 2023, companies have been jumping on the AI bandwagon, and many people have been discussing the use of artificial intelligence generally. AI promises to unlock so much unrealized potential for almost any type of technology. There's anything from image generation, voice cloning, document automation, and many others. But we all know now that AI has to be trained before it can do anything well. And you might ask, how is AI trained? Well, companies like Zoom Video have turned to their individual user data to help them train their AI tools. Earlier this year in March, Zoom Video Communication, a popular video conferencing tool used by many companies and individuals alike, updated its terms of service. The terms were updated to state that Zoom would scrape their users' diagnostic data for machine learning or artificial intelligence purposes, including for the purposes of training and tuning of algorithms and models. This caused people to start looking at the Zoom's terms of service in more detail and asking whether Zoom could actually use user data to train these tools. Upon deeper review, the public's opinion was that Zoom's use of user data was unacceptable. At this point, Zoom was forced to reconsider the change it made to its terms due to the high amount of negative publicity. In a survey conducted by Home Security Heroes, of 1,074 US residents who've used Zoom for meetings at least once in the last year, the big takeaway is that 74% of survey respondents don't want Zoom using their data to train an AI. This applies especially to Gen Y and millennials. Almost all respondents, which is about 97%, who disagree with Zoom's use of the data see the move as a threat to them and their privacy. About 78% of respondents said that they no longer trust Zoom. A number of people also want to be compensated for their role in training the AI.
Zoom has already been dinged repeatedly for data privacy and rights overreach issues, all in the space of under 3 years. Zoom had previously told users that it offered end-to-end encryption when it did not. But this issue is not unique to Zoom. There are numerous other platforms like Google, Meta, Amazon, and Salesforce that are currently using, licensing, and/or developing AI tools. A significant number of corporations are dealing with the same struggle to balance competitiveness in the AI race with preserving customer trust. Many private organizations are uploading their internal confidential information and intellectual property into meetings, and they are not considering the ramifications of providing their data to a third-party provider that is managed in a cloud that they do not control. So, why does this matter, you ask? Well, the content that is used to train an AI must show up in an AI's responses and other output. If your sensitive information or a company's proprietary information is used in an AI training, there is a risk that the same sensitive information will be disclosed to a third party or stranger in some way. Also, researchers have stated that it's virtually impossible to make an AI model forget the information that it learns from private user data. This means that the memory of an AI tool stretches far past anything we have seen to date. Although this may not be true for absolutely all AI, there are a lot of tools where this is a valid concern for individuals and businesses alike. Everyone should keep this in mind when sharing data online and try to limit what content you are sharing. This may seem like a challenging task for some people, considering the strong online culture we have in modern society. However, AI is here to stay, and we are just scratching the surface of its capabilities and also its downsides. This means that the Zoom video story won't be the last to make headlines, so keep your eyes peeled for more. Thanks for watching All Up in That Tech. If you like our content, please watch and subscribe. See you on the next one.